before we get started, remember to check out Aiper's Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. They're live right now, so click the link below and save up to 40% off. And use our code 911reviews for an additional 5% off. Awesome.
Hey folks, Adam here, and we are going to test out and evaluate the Aiper X1 Pro Max. This is your new poolside hero. We're going to clean up some dirt and debris from the pool. We're going to give it a full evaluation, and we're going to check it out. We're going to kick it off right about now. All right, folks, so let me tell you about this little poolside hero. It's a comprehensive all-in-one cleaning system. From surface to floor, it cleans your entire pool. Equipped with the TVC engine for unstoppable mobility, this offers a powerful cleaning. It's the world's best and world's first. Unmatched power for deep cleaning. The world's strongest suction at 8,500 gallons per hour, powered by a 9-motor system. Patented micro mesh technology and ultra-fine filter. This captures all of the debris. The OmniSense 2.0 is an intelligent cleaning system for superior coverage as well. It maps the entire pool with adaptive SmartPath FlexiPath 2.0, powered by a quad-core intelligent chip. Again, this is all world's first and world's best. The auto mode adaptive cleaning technology boosts cleaning efficiency as well. And it's truly cordless, without 10 hours of runtime when it's cleaning the surface of your pool, things like that. And it's underwater communication with a Hydrocom Pro technology ensures efficient and safe cleaning. Now it has 40 sensors, 9 motors, ultra-fine filters, and 5+3 cleaning modes, 8,500 GPM suction. It's gallons per minute, I should state. Gallons per minute. If I said 8,500 gallons per hour earlier, it's 8,500 gallons per minute. All-in-one cleaning, water quality testing using the Hydrocom Pro, and of course, that wireless charging dock and 6 adaptive cleaning paths and the extended battery life. This thing is absolutely perfect when it comes to cleaning your floor. It'll get up oil and algae. It'll do the wall cleaning with the Waveline 2.0 technology and all the surface cleaning as well. Some other things I like about this device are the impressive stair cleaning, the pool inlet navigation. It bypasses pool inlets and obstacles, the ladder avoidance, and the elevated platform, the anti-fall sensors, and precision TVC adjustment prevent falls, ensuring stable and efficient cleaning no matter what you're doing. This is your all-in-one cleaning machine. Again, 9 brushless motors. Brushless means that it's going to last longer and work better. It handles large pieces of sand and small stones, equally powerful, and it does unmatched deep cleaning. So with that patented micro mesh filter and the ultra-fine filter, there's absolutely nothing like it. It does ultrasonic pool mapping, the FlexiPath 2.0 high cleaning coverage, and the auto mode adaptive efficient cleaning. Again, folks, there's nothing like this. Aiper is delivering a premier product that can't be beat. And folks, I do want to show you how efficient that filter is. Just in our cleaning today, the pool didn't even look dirty, but look at everything that it got here. It's going to spray this out with a hose and be done with it. No need for replacement filters. This all washes out. We're able to get dirt, sand, and debris out of here easily and efficiently. Now, with that being said, I highly recommend this brand. It is the premier brand in the industry. We love working with them. Go ahead and pick one up. It's a great holiday gift idea. It's a great holiday idea. It's a great way to keep your pool clean. It's perfect for the summer months, even better for the fall and spring with all those leaves. Go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. And with that being said, stick around for the up-close portion of our video for even more. Oh yeah. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. Aiper, bring vacation home. This is the Scuba X1 Pro Max. It's a cordless robotic pool cleaner. Yeah, what a great brand. What great style and sophistication. Now, this is ideal for cleaning up your debris, of course. Vinyl, concrete, fiberglass, stone, works perfectly. Rectangle, round, kidney, and custom, works perfectly with that 10-hour battery life. That's fantastic. It's got 5-hour battery for the floor, 10 for the swimming. Of course, it's Aiper app compatible. Intelligent cleaning in auto mode. It has the ability to clean up to pools up to 3,200 square feet. That's enormous. It has wireless charging. Yeah, so that's really cool. They've just thought of everything when they thought of the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. All in one with comprehensive cleaning, replaceable micro mesh filters, adaptive path planning, and that FlexiPath 2.0. This thing is fantastic. Again, 3,200 square feet with this robotic pool cleaner, absolutely cordless and impeccable in design. All right, folks, so if you're looking for a great brand, this brand has you covered from top to bottom and stem to stern. So folks, inside the box is a pool robot that cannot be touched. It also has the charging and docking station for completely wireless charging. They've done a great job here. Now this will clean the leaves off of your pool, which we all love that idea. It will do the walls. It will clean the water. And yeah, it's too smart to miss a spot. It will outsmart every mess. And yeah, it uses easy app control for cleaning mode, complete clean, everything you need right there. That superior life is fantastic, and it's unrivaled with cleaning performance. Now you can press the buttons on the top, or of course you can jump right into the app and control it from the app. It's an all-in-one device for all areas, 8,500 gallons per hour with 9 powerful motors, dual front brushing system, and yeah, I'm just a big fan of the brand with the extra wide suction. The flow path is fantastic, and it's keeping your water, your floors, your surface area completely clean. And yeah, it picks up so many more leaves per hour, practically twice as many as the competition, using that ultra fine micro mesh filters as small as 3 microns. Folks, this is the perfect system with that Omnisense 2.0 ultrasonic sensor detecting the entire floor of your pool. This thing is absolutely fantastic. 9 motors, 40 sensors, fighter jet inspired underwater design, TVC engine, unparalleled in the industry with 180-degree rotation, full directional thrust, and just some of the most power in the industry. Again, folks, this supports all types of pool surfaces, all types of pool shapes, has the best sensors, the best app, and the best power in the industry. With those big tank-like treads, there's nothing better than Aiper. Folks, I highly recommend you go check this out. You will not be disappointed. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for joining us. But it's time to go pick one up and put it in your cart. It's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching, and well, adios, amigos.